Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to open a text file into this rich text area by using a button. So for example, I click open file button and I select any file and it opens in this open text area. Now in this video I will show you if I want to find or search some word in this text. So how can I find that word and highlight it by using the C# code? I will show you in this video. So I will show an example what I am talking about. So I have loaded this text in this text area, and now for example I want to search for a word and in this whole text which is in text area. So I will write the word and I will press search, and you see all and in the text are highlighted with red color, right? So this thing I will show you in this video. So let's see how I have done this. First of all, if you have seen the last video, I have shown you the code to load a text file by using this button in the last video. So just copy that same code from there in the open file button. So if you don't know this code, please follow my last two videos. I have shown you there how to open a file and show it into the rich text box. The new thing this time, I have taken a text box from the toolbox. So I have dragged this text box and paste it here. Okay, and I have taken a button and I have changed its text as search. So I have taken two new things. These two things are from the previous videos. Okay, and these are the two new things. And now this text box name is Textbox 1, so remember this name. And now I will, when I double click this button, I will reach to the code of the search button click event. So in here write int and declare a variable called index is equal to 0, and then declare a string variable called temp is equal to rich text box dot text. This is your rich text box name. So rich text box 1 dot text here, and then just clean your rich text box. So rich text box dot text is equal to double quote and just complete your code. Then write rich text box dot text is equal to temp and semicolon. So declare these variable and write this, and then when you are done with the declaration, write while index, which is this variable, is smaller than rich text box, which is our rich text box name, dot text dot last index of your text box name. So this text box name dot text. So write this while index is less than rich text box dot text dot last index of your text box name dot text. Okay, and then in the while loop, this is a while loop, in the while loop write rich text box 1, which is the name of your rich text box, dot find, and in the bracket we will pass three variables. First is the text for which we are searching for. So write textbox1 dot text. So this is whatever text you will write in the textbox1, that word it will search. So that's why I have written this textbox dot text, comma index. So this is the index which we have declared above, comma richTextBox dot text length. So this is the rich text box and we are passing the length of your rich text box text, comma rich text box field dot none. So write this whole line in which we are passing 4 variables, and then in the next line write rich text box 1, which is the name of your rich text box, dot selection back color. So here we are highlighting our text. In this code we are searching for the text which is there in the text box, and in here we are highlighting our text with a color. So write rich text box 1 dot selection back color is equal to color dot any color of your choice. So this time, for example, I will choose orange color. Okay, and then in the last line write index is equal to rich text box 1 text dot index of, and in the bracket write text box dot text comma index plus 1. So this line, what it's doing is it's increasing the index of your text by 1. So once the desired word is searched in the text, it will search for that word again until your text is completed or text is ended. Okay, so this is the code for highlighting your desired word in the text box or text field. So if you want, just pause the video and just copy the code from here, and when you are done with copying, let's try and run the program once again. So once again I select a text file from my computer, and this time I want to search for the name the, for example, and I press the, and you can see the word the is highlighted with orange color. Okay, so in this way you can use this search option and highlight option. I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.